Well, tonight at 10, stray dogs and cats are a growing concern in Birmingham. City leaders say it's the most common issue reported through 311, and now council members are holding a town hall to hear directly from you about how to tackle this problem.
Your reporter Lauren Harkson was at that meeting at Parker High School tonight. Lauren, what are people saying?
Well, Brittany, Steve, dozens of people showed up tonight to share their experiences with uncontrolled dogs and cats that just roam about in their neighborhoods. Now, overall, people are frustrated with the lack of rule enforcement, and they tell me they are ready for a change. City Council President Daryl O'Quinn says between January 2023 and September 2025, the city received over 20,000 calls related to animal control. And the Jefferson County Department of Health reporting between 170 and 180 dog bites in Birmingham per year. Now, before public comment, O'Quinn shared more about an animal control survey. In only a week, they received about 350 responses, a majority of people saying they have issues with strays and they feel unsafe because of them. Most Birmingham neighbors tonight sharing they support mandatory spay-neuter, microchipping, and pet registration.
Spay-neuter is the key. Once we reduce the population of the animals, then that'll solve a lot of the problems.
Good compliance for pet registration, licensing. Good compliance is like 25%. However, in those communities that have implemented that, they see a decrease in the stray population.
Now, O'Quinn tells me tonight that they've already started working on an ordinance draft, and the next step, of course, to present it to council and then get even more public input. Of course, we'll keep you updated on this story as it moves along. Your reporter live tonight in Birmingham, Lauren Harkson, WBRC 6 News, on your side.
Thanks, Lauren. Iron